Mapping over values in a Python dictionary. Given a dictionary, K1 column V1, K2 column V2 ... I want to get K1 column FV1, K2 column FV2 ... provided I pass a function f. Is there any such built-in function? Or do I have to do? Ideally I would just write or. That is, it doesn't matter to me if the original dictionary is mutated or a copy is created.
There's no such function. The easiest way to do this is to use a dict comprehension. In Python 2.7, use the .iterItems method instead of .items to save memory. The dict comprehension syntax wasn't introduced until Python 2.7. Note that there is no such method on lists either. You have to use a list comprehension or the map function. As such, you could use the map function for processing your dict as well. But that's not that readable, really.
These tools are great for this kind of simple yet repetitive logic. This URL gets you right where you want to be.
Due to PEP 0469 which renamed iterItems to items and PEP 3113 which removed tuple parameter unpacking, in Python 3.x you should write Martine Peters, diamond, answer like this.
You can do this in place, rather than create a new dict, which may be preferable for large dictionaries, if you do not need a copy. Results in my _ dictionary containing